All right, welcome back to the Owwll tutorial for the Owwll platform, the Pioneer and Connect Media. Today, this tutorial is to help walk you through going from advice seeker to becoming an expert on the new Owwll platform. So let's get started. If you notice, this is your home screen. You have now logged in after you have your account approved. If you look up in the upper left corner, the hamburger menu, that gets your slide out where you can see there your account and payment. You can see you got your $10 bonus by putting in your referral code. If you go back home there, you're going to see very quickly, hit that hamburger menu again. You've got your change password option right underneath there where you can put in your old password and a new password. If you go down to referrals, you can see right there, we've got referrals and we have not referred anyone yet because we're a brand new member. So here's your referral code. You would just click that little gold button and that would copy and paste your code that you could put into an email or something else. You've got the terms of service, privacy policy, frequently asked questions, and of course a sign out option. But if you go back to that account and payment, you can see the options here. If you were wanting to deposit more money, you could do that right here. And that would allow you to put in a card right here. So you can put in your credit card and then save that card, etc. So pretty cool. So go back out of there and back to your home screen. Now you would actually go to the bottom right corner down here, click on your profile. That's going to bring up your profile. Now you're going to go to edit profile. And here you can see your profile. Now, if you look at the upper right corner there, you're going to see right away that it's at 100%. You need it to be at 100% in order for this toggle switch up here in the upper left corner to be there. You see, you got to go from Owlette with the big eyes to an owl with the small eyes where all the wisdom's hiding. Okay, so you want to switch that little toggle switch across, and then it's going to change this from 100 back to like 50% because you need to then finish setting up, adding your social media stuff. So we'll walk you through that. Let's keep going. So you're going to hit this toggle switch to go from Owlette over to Owwll, and there you go. So now you're going to see these little steps. You're going to put in your social media links, call rates, etc. So now you have to agree to the following terms and conditions down there. If you see that over here, you got to hit those. There we go. And obviously they can accept or reject your profile. Then you're going to hit next. And here we go. Now you're just going to page all the way to the bottom. And you see you already got a picture in there. So if you go down to the bottom, you're going to hit the little right arrow to go next. Then you're going to put in your LinkedIn profile. Now, it's easy to go and copy and paste, or you can type it out as we're going to here in just a second. But at the very end, when we put me, you're going to want to put in your specific LinkedIn username. Okay, so we're going to type it out here for you real quick. As you can see, linkedin.com. And then I believe it's /in/ and then your specific username, which here we're just going to put me, and then you're going to hit save or next. It's going to bring you over to your price page. You're going to put in $1 for 10 minutes, 2 for 20, and 1 for 5. And whoops, we got a 1 there. Hold on. Well, let's fix that 1. There we go. Now we're going to submit this, and bam, you are all set up and ready to go. So it's a win-win. You're good to go. Now they're going to, as you see here at the bottom, they're going to let you know when you have been approved as an expert. So that's a win-win. You are now fully set up and approved, or should be approved as an expert. So welcome to the Owwll platform as an expert. I look forward to seeing you there and talking with you one-on-one. Hoot, hoot.